I know that our brief is to talk about applying to law school, and the person who knows all about that is Lucy. Lucy is the person who magically does lots of stuff for us around this and manages a whole big team of people who support students through the application process, but also support students once they've got through into law school as well. So I'll pop in towards the end of Lucy's talk. I'm a professor at the law school. I teach criminal law, so I'll talk a little bit at the end about what it's like being in a law lecture once you've got in. But Lucy's going to go through some of the nitty-gritty for you first.
Enrolment into first year law at Victoria University is open entry, so we will accept anyone who gets a university entrance. Enrolment's done through our website, and it's pretty straightforward. It's something you can do at school. You've got your careers advisors to help you. You've got your peers going through the same process. You've got your teachers and students who may have gone before you who can assist with things. But our future students team also can assist you, and they're pretty much on call all year round. They cover everything. They cover university life. They help you with your finances, and they can help you with figuring out accommodation and scholarships. So again, it's really good to touch base with them. So our enrolment's open for the following year from the 1st of September. And it is a good idea to get in early, because the sooner you get in the system, the sooner we can start really assisting you. We've got your contact details. We can give you up-to-date information. You don't need to always follow through with your enrolment. So if you are unsure at the end of the year, if you're going to stay closer to your hometown or go somewhere else, you can start investigating other universities. But it is really a good idea to reach out early, because we can give you more assistance the earlier you get in contact with us. So we offer first year law in 3 courses. So Laws 121 is your introduction to legal systems, and this is normally held in the first half of the year. And then after that, you move into case law and statute law in the second half of the year. Alongside that, you'll also be doing some non-law points. So now's a really good time to start thinking about what you might want to do alongside your law degree.
Like any university study, it's quite different to school. For some people, the transition takes a little bit longer than others. You're suddenly placed in these lecture theatres rather than a classroom. You have got some contact hours each week, but a lot of independent study going on. And law, you'll find that there is a lot of reading compared perhaps to some other courses, but we do ease you into that in our first year course, and we've been doing a lot of work on that course to make sure that there is that transition being eased in, that we give you lots of support through like little quizzes and supportive teaching team and things like that. It involves you having to think quite carefully and creatively around questions, but you're guided in how to do that. So we guide you in using those skills in things like doing research, in things like thinking in a way that lawyers think. So we start to build that through for you, and studying law involves building those skills up. So it's not just about learning the content of the law, although that's some of it. A lot of it is about learning the skills of thinking in a way that lawyers think, so that you can transfer those skills to new legal areas that come up as well. There is a lot of support, and I would say don't be scared to approach us. So you've got your tutors, because we have tutorial programs through, you've got lecturers and course coordinators, you've got Lucy's student success team, your student organisations. So although it can feel a little bit overwhelming, just remembering that there's all of that support out there. At our law school, we have a kind of a discussion kind of method in most of our lectures. But again, we start out with that quite slowly in first year. So what I would do with my first year class is throw out some questions for people to contribute and to answer, and we get a little bit of a discussion going in that way.